Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see in last session we have seen guys how we can call get API and how we can call API in Python, as well as we have seen how we can call post API also, right? So today we'll see guys how we can call delete API. What we'll do guys, we'll take one what we can say one free API. In that, what we will do guys, we'll take one ID and we'll delete that. Okay, we'll see how we can call delete API in our Python. Okay, so for that same guys, as I told you, we need to import the request libraries. Okay, and guys, if you're not seen still the before videos, that is how to call API in Python and post API, how we can call in Python, that video you will get in my playlist, or in I button you will get, or at the end of this video you will get guys. Okay, so guys, please watch this video full so you will get all the things. Okay, fine guys, so what we have done, we are imported the request because we are requesting the API, right? So here we need to import the request libraries. Okay, then next what we will do guys, we'll write one function. Okay, this function we are using to delete our post, whatever post is there. For example, consider one post is there and that I want to delete. Okay, so here I'm what I'm doing is here I'm passing one ID. Okay, so done, this is done guys. Then this is my URL, which is free API guys, which is available for free. You can use any, means you can use for testing purposes guys. Okay, so https:// here we can call JSON placeholder guys. It is what JSON placeholder. Already I think I have taken this guys. Okay, then this is typico.com. Okay, typico.com/post will take. And guys, here what we need to do, here I have to pass one ID. Okay, so what I'm doing guys, see guys, here I'm calling one URL. Okay, later we'll explain is this and this what it is. Okay, then next what, here I'm printing my response. Okay, so sorry, whatever the URL is there, that I am adding for this guy, that is requests dot delete. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm here deleting, right? So I'm using your delete method guys. Okay, so whatever URL I'm getting, in that URL this ID I'm deleting guys. Okay, I think you got what it is. This is a URL. In that URL one ID is there guys, that ID what I am doing, I am deleting. Okay, so here what I have taken, request dot delete, means we are requesting delete that ID, like that it is. Okay, fine. Then next what we will do guys, we want response, right? So see guys, delete data we cannot see, so that we will see through print and all, right? So what I will do, I'll take here for status code, that is 200. If the response is okay, like if the data is deleted successfully, what we will print guys, will print one thing, that is uh, we will write his post has the post ID li, right? Post with ID, and here we'll take that ID. That ID is what is, that is post underscore ID, right? Okay, the ID deleted successfully. Okay, so like this we have written it. See guys, if the status code is 200, which is successful, then what we are doing, we are deleting that ID. Okay, so here it is the print we have written guys. Okay, in print it is. And suppose if anything is there, an error is there, if success is, if the response is not correct, then what we will do is we'll print different data. There will print guys fails, means it is failed, right? Fail to delete post with ID, same will take this post ID, this ID. Okay, this will take us. And suppose guys, if you want status code also, that also we will do guys. Here if, means we can print that also. So here what I will do, I will take here status code. Here I'm taking status code, that is response dot status code. Yes. Okay, guys. Fine. So this is done, guys. We're printing also, and okay, if and else is done, see guys, if the response is correct, it will print this like post with this id, whatever id we are passing, that deleted successfully. Else what it will give, guys, it will give fail to delete the post with this id, and it will give status code also. Okay, then this is done, guys. Next what we will do, after this, guys, we need to call that function, right? This is our function. To delete this we need to call, then only we can delete that. So what I will do, guys, here I will write delete post, and see guys, here it is id, right? So I am passing here id, guys. See, I am passing here one id. So what it will do, guys, it will go here post id, it will come here, it will take this url, and this first, whatever the first id is there na, that it will delete. And if it is deleted, it will give the, it is deleted successfully, and it will give the id number also here. Okay, so it will work like this, guys. So what I will do is, now I will run this. See, if we are getting error, that also we will solve. So you know, guys, to run python, what we will use, python app.py, right? Okay, we'll see what will happen. We'll get response, guys, here. Okay, you can see, guys, post with the id 1 is deleted successfully, means we have deleted our id, whatever the one id is there na, that means data, whatever it is there in that id, that is deleted, guys. Okay, so this is the simple, guys, simple code where we can delete the ids, whatever the posts are there, that post, everything we can delete, guys. So in this video what we are learning is how we can call delete api in python. Okay, and here we are not using, right now we are not used any database. So the so this is simple, guys. Okay, you can see it is simple. But if you use a database, then there will be different process, that also we will see later. But first we will do this all the basic thing, guys. So this is a basic, guys, api where how we can delete, that we have learned in this video. Okay, so I hope, guys, you got how to delete a post, whatever it is, post or other things also. And if you have any question, guys, regarding this, then you can comment in comment box, and we'll see later, guys, update also how we can update the post. Okay, so stay tuned to my channel, and even we'll do fast API also in python, and database also we will use. So that will come one by one, guys. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you have any question, any queries, then guys, please comment in comment box. And one more thing, guys, I'm getting lots of questions regarding recipe. So guys, what you do, you just visit my playlist. There you will get all the whatever question you have now, for that all answer you will get, guys. And one more thing is, for in razorpay, see guys, if you are using for test mode the razorpay, now there is no api available. Okay, now the condition is what you need to add your website, then only you will get api keys. Okay, so that for that, guys, I will make one video. So stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys, because for that now I'm getting lots of questions. So one video will come for that, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.